What's up guys, Did Reviews here. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing. This is from Endorfy, or Endorfy, however you pronounce it. My apologies if I got it wrong. Lucky enough for them to team up with me again. It used to be called Silentium. So they teamed up with me again and sent me a few little bits. I've got a case, a cooler and this power supply which I'm going to be unboxing today. So let's just unbox this, have a look, and I'll basically you'll see this again in a future video when I do the build. Right, with this I'll try and keep it brief for the stuff you actually need to know about this. First off, this is the Supremo FM5 Gold 1000 watts. So as the name suggests, 1000 watts and 80 plus gold certified with 100% Japanese caps, whisper quiet operation, 7 years warranty, and it has one of their Fluxus fans inside it, which I've used on a CPU cooler in the past, and they've been absolutely fantastic, really quiet and perform really well. Comes in very plain box and has all of their stuff seems to do, but I quite like it, quite understated. So yeah, let's have a quick look at the specs. So quickly, 80 plus certified, as I mentioned, whisper quiet operation down to the fan really, with the Fluxus fan in there, and then the bearings 100,000 hours mean time to failure. So that's basically what you need to know about the fan. And the cooler itself, one of the main things you're going to need to know is the size of this. Depending on what case you put it on, depends where it fits. I'm going to use it in a normal ATX build, but I'm also going to use it in a really small build that takes ATX power supplies, but they have to be quite small. So this is going to be the one I'm going to use. So 1000 watt, the size is 87 by 140 by 150, so it's a very sort of small unit, on the smaller side really. Cabling is black ribbon, black sleeved. As I already told you about the fans, and in terms of the cables you get 2 4+4 EPS pins. Obviously you get your 24 pin ATX motherboard, you get 2 6+2 PCIEs for GPU, and then you also get another 2 there. I don't know why it doesn't say 4. Well, I'll look at that in a second. And then you get your SATA cables, and one of them has a Molex on it as well. So let's open this up and have a look at it. So obviously you get a manual, tells you a little bit about it, not that we need to really look at that. You get some zip ties in there as well, with the screws for it as well. So you can tidy your cables up. You get your normal mains power supply. This is an EU one. I'll have to find a UK one to use for that, as obviously I'm in the UK. So let's have a quick look at the cables. I won't take them all out. So they all come bundled together, but then also pre-wrapped as well. So you've got obviously CPU cable. Like I say, you've got 2 of those 4+4s, so 8 pins basically. It's ATX motherboard cable. Got another CPU there. Molex, SATA. Then we've got a PCIe, so that's for your graphics card. We've got one there. We've got another SATA cable. We've got another PCIe, that's 2. And then finally another PCIe there as well, so that's 3. So you've got 3 PCIes, 8 pins, as you can see there, 8 pins. So plenty enough for today's modern graphics cards. And then we've got another SATA cable there, and then finally we have another PCIe. So in total you get 4 PCIe cables. So like I say, plenty for all today's modern graphics cards. And as you can see there, like I said on the box, it's a ribbon type cable, all flat, so nice and easy to route normally. Those, the only one that's a little bit different is the 24 pin, which is obviously a chunkier cable, which obviously it's got a lot more cables in there. So this is the power supply itself, and as you can see, it is fairly short, especially for 1000 watt, fairly short, standard width obviously, and standard height. But the length is obviously the thing you need to worry about the most when you fit it in your case. So this is 140 millimeters long. So like I say, again, very short, ideal for the sort of RTX cases that take full size PSUs, and then obviously for any smaller cases it's ideal as well. As you can see, we've got the Fluxus fan in here, which has these sort of gills on it, not gills, sort of fins on it, which be careful, I've caught my finger in one of those that actually do cut you. But obviously we've got a grill on there as well, so nice, really good fan in there, and obviously it's covered as well, which you would expect. Round to that side, that's pretty much standard power on off switch. You didn't have an eco mode on it, just on and off, and obviously your power goes in there. I'll put this up to the camera so you can see sort of the layout of the power supply in terms of the rails and everything. just so you can have a look at that. And then obviously we've got the back end of it, which is where all your cables go. So as I said, 24 pin ATX motherboard connection, CPU connections, 4 PCIe connections for your graphics card, and then you've got 3 for 3 different IDE/SATA cables, and 1 comes with a Molex on it. So that's all there really is to show you guys. Other than that, it's got your branding on the side there on both sides. There's no ugly stickers on the sides of it, which is really good to see, because some obviously PSU shrouds have a sort of see-through window there, so you won't see anything ugly there. It's been put on the top, which is good, because you won't see that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting if you were looking at a new power supply. Big thing for this one is the price of it. Last time I looked on Amazon, it was about £135, and for 1000 watt gold, that is absolutely brilliant. So if you're looking for one that's not going to break the bank, definitely check this one out. You'll be seeing this again in the upcoming build, so stick around for that. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, anything like that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.